Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by parking on level ground and engaging the handbrake so nothing shifts. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection. Safety matters. Gather the Maruti kit items you need: shampoo, wheel cleaner, wax, applicators, and microfiber towels so you don't interrupt the flow. Rinse the car top to bottom to knock off loose grit. This prevents scratches. Make sure water flow is steady and move quickly to the washing stage while the surface is wet. You now perform the detailed wash using the 2-bucket method to protect paint from swirl marks. Dip the microfiber mitt in soapy water, wash in overlapping strokes, and rinse the mitt in the clean bucket each time. This removes abrasive grit. Work in manageable panels so soap doesn't dry: roof, hood, doors, then lower panels. Clean wheels separately. Spray wheel cleaner, agitate with a brush, rinse thoroughly. Make sure to leave delicate trims till after you finish by drying immediately with clean microfiber towels, using a blot and pull technique to avoid rubbing contaminants across the surface. Once dry, apply Maruti wax or sealant in thin, even layers. Follow product cure time and buff with a fresh towel to reveal gloss and protection. Dress tires and clean glass last so no residue lands on paint. If a spot looks dull after buffing, reapply a small amount of wax. Troubleshooting tip: if hazing occurs, re-wipe with a clean microfiber.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.